Good morning. Happy Sunday from Puerto del Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
Sol, sol y sol. A ver, el sol pega de ahí.
We have amazing, warm November Sunday morning here. Check this out. El Niño is happy because he doesn't like cold weather. I'll show you the weather because this video is about the weather. And he's barking. You know why? Because I decided to bring his tennis ball. And he wants to play. Okay, the weather first and then play. Crazy man. Charger batteries. It is amazing beauty. It's around 25 degrees now, expecting 29, maybe 30, we will see. Lago. Holiday resort, Martianes, we should say. Playa de Martianes. A few surfers. The ocean looks quiet, but like yesterday, you know, from time to time, big waves can come. Okay. He wants to play now. Upward. Come, come. He needs to run. Good boy. Come, 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 come. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.